Hello friends, myself Dr. Supriya Chaugule. I am working as Assistant Professor in DRK College of Commerce. Today we are going to discuss about the various ITR forms. ITR forms means what? ITR forms are the income tax returns to be filed by individual and various persons. So friends, in today's lecture we are going to know and discuss about various forms of ITR. Now first we have to know what is meant by ITR. Income tax return, that is ITR, is a form which the taxpayers file the information about his income earned and tax applicable to the income tax department. The department has notified 7 different and various types of forms. For example, ITR 1, ITR 2, ITR 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So there are 7 types of ITR forms. Friends, we should discuss about the ITR form number 1. Who is going to apply for that and what are the provisions? For resident Indians who fall under the following categories, those are eligible to file income tax return form number 1. What are the eligibilities? The income should be generated from a pension or salary. Suppose an individual has a salary, then his or she is eligible to file income tax return form number 1. Income should be generated from single house property. An individual can have income from salary, house property, etc. So it should be generated from single house property, not 2 or more house properties. However, in cases of losses have been brought forward from the previous year, exclusion is allowed. In case of income of not more than rupees 5,000 generated from agriculture, that is also eligible to file under ITR form number 1. That means those are not eligible who are having extra income or more than rupees 5,000 income from agriculture. Okay, so whose total income is not maximum than rupees 50 lakhs, they can file income tax return form number 1. So income that has been generated from other sources such as winning, horse races, lotteries, etc., those are also going to be considered. So now we are going to talk about the second form, that is ITR 2. So who is going to cover under the ITR 2? Income of an individual whose more than 50 lakhs, those are eligible to file ITR number 2. Income must be generated via pension or other forms of salary. That means whose income is less than 50 lakhs, they can file for ITR 1. And whose income is more than 50 lakhs, they can file for ITR 2. Income that is generated from house property, that is also going to be covered. Income that is generated from winning and lottery and other horse races, that is also going to be covered. In case of individual is director or of a company, those are also going to be filed the ITR form number 2, but those are not eligible to file ITR 1. Agricultural income which is more than rupees 5,000, as earlier we have discussed, that can be filed under ITR 2. Income has been generated from capital gains, also going to be covered under the ITR 2. In case any investment were present in equity shares that were unlisted during the financial year and also generated income from foreign sources and foreign asset, that is also going to be filed under ITR 2. Now the third kind of ITR, that is applicable for the individuals and Hindu undivided families who make an income from a profession or from a proprietorship business. So now there is a difference, you can differentiate it. ITR 1 and ITR 2 is going to be applied for the individual who are having income from salary, pension and house property. But ITR 3 is applicable for individual and Hindu undivided families whose are having income from profession or from proprietorship business. Individual who are generating income from profession and business, those are going to be covered here. In case of any investment were present in equity shares that were unlisted at any time during the financial year, that is also going to be covered here. In case of individual who is a partner or a director of a company, their income is also going to be covered under the ITR 3. If income is generated from pension, from salary, house property or any other sources simultaneously, being an professional, being an salaried person, those income are also covered under the ITR 3. Turnover of a business exceeding rupees 2 crore, those are also going to be covered under ITR 3. Now we are going to talk about ITR 4. In case of Hindu undivided families, partnership firms and individuals who are Indian residents who generate an income from profession or a business, they must opt for ITR 4. However, limited liability partnerships cannot opt for this form. Individuals who have also chosen the presumptive income scheme according to Section 44AD, Section 44ADA and Section 44AE of the Income Tax Act 1961 should also opt for this form. Now we are going to talk about ITR 5. ITR 5 is applicable for income generated through investment funds, business trust, estate of insolvent, estate of deceased, artificial juridical person, as well as body of individual, association of persons, LLPs and firms. They must opt for ITR 5. So individual and HUF, for them ITR 1, 2, 3, 4 is applicable. Now we are going to talk about ITR 6. For any companies that are not claiming exemptions under Section 11, this form must be chosen. Companies that are filing return under this section can only do it electronically, not by other means. Friends, this is the last ITR 7. This is applicable to individual and companies that have furnished return under Section 139(4)A, 139(4)B, 139(4)C, 139(4)D, 139(4)E and 139(4)F. They must go for. Now we are going to discuss about process of filing ITR. Individual will be able to download the various ITR forms on the official website of the Income Tax Department, that is https://www.incometaxindia.gov.in/. So this is the detailed address given for filing the ITR form by electronic form. The forms will be available in the PDF format and the instructions to fill the form will also be available on the same website. So if you go for this site, if you put your PAN number, you are able to open your account and you can get the details which are filled by your organization where you are working. So all the details of your income given by your employer in kind of salary or the other remuneration will be present in that form. As well as if you forget to mention that any investment or loan you have taken and you are paying an interest, or you have taken any educational loan or insurance premium you are paying, so all those details can also be filled in this form by electronic. Now the conclusion. We have arrived at the conclusion that depending on the type of income that individuals make, they can either opt for ITR 1, 2, 3, 4 and ITR 7. The income tax return can be filed on the official website of Income Tax Department and the process is very simple. Thank you all.